Hi guys, what's up? What's up? Hey, one second. Hey, sorry, I had to clean my camera. So, hi, surprise, surprise, surprise! What a great day today is. Finally, the poster is out, and I hope you guys like the poster. So, I'm finally doing a web series, and I've wanted to do a web series since such a long time, and I'm working with the best production possible. I'm working with Balaji for the web series, and I'm so excited. It's called Crash. I'm playing a very cool character. I can't really disclose about it yet, but I'm playing a very interesting character, and it's just super cool because I'm so excited to share with y'all. And I saw your reactions. You guys were so surprised, so thank you so much for all the love, all the wishes. मैं बहुत ही excited हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरा पहला web series है. This is like, as an actor, this is like a very new sector that I'm gonna be exploring. I've done TV shows, I've done films, and I've done music videos and everything, but then this web series is like a first for me. So I'm very excited, and I'm working with such amazing people. I'm working with Rohan Mehra, I'm working with Aditi Sharma, Zen, Kunj, and everyone is so nice. When I was shooting with them, it was so much fun. The team is so great. Director, our producer, our writers, and everyone is just so sorted. Everybody's on the same page, and that's why as an actor it's super interesting to work with them. So this character is very interesting, and I'm very excited to share more details with y'all. So let me just share the poster here. I can do that. So yay! Look at the poster. I'm so happy. It's called Crash, guys. Crash. It's a very amazing story. It's a very new story, a very new concept, और बहुत ही अलग कहानी है. बहुत ही shades हैं इस कहानी के. बहुत ही interesting है. So please give a lot of love. Please give a lot of support to this web series of mine. It's gonna come in February 2021. So till then we're gonna shoot, and yeah, stay tuned guys, stay tuned. So thank you guys, thank you so much for so much love. I'm so happy, genuinely. So everyone's asking where you can, so you can watch. It'll be available in February. It's releasing in February 2021, and it'll be on Alt Balaji and Z5. So congratulations, thank you so much, thank you so much. Girl Karke crossed 250 million, and in a year. So I'm very happy for that as well. Thank you guys, thank you that आप लोग हमेशा जो भी मैं प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं हमें बहुत प्यार दिया है, and I just really hope that you all enjoy this as well. This is very different, this is very new. तो बहुत खुश हूँ मैं, बहुत excited हूँ मैं. And it was so difficult to not tell you guys about this. मतलब मैं जब भी live थी, and whenever I used to put stories, I was like, oh, I really want to tell you all, but I really wanted to show you guys the result कि क्या मतलब the first look. I really wanted you all to be surprised by that. So yay, Crash. So there is our poster. This is our first look. I'm sitting there, जैसे आप देख सकते हो. There's Aditi, Rohan, and Kunj, and then Zen. So yay, superb. Congratulations Anushka, thank you so much ma'am, lots of love, congratulations, thank you so much, thank you, really means a lot. I'm just very fortunate, and I'm really blessed कि मतलब इतना अच्छे लोगों के साथ I'm working, and I've always told you how much I love watching series. So hi, hello, hey. Hi, hey, what's up everyone?
Parasites found inside
Hey, yeah. So that's why I wanted to say that, you know, I love watching series and everything. So I've always told you that I love this story, I love that story, and web series or something. My mom's making me laugh. I'm sorry. Okay, so I was saying that I've always wanted to do a web series, you know, and that too this it's very exciting, very new, बहुत ही नया concept है. So I'm very excited, honestly.
Yes.
Thank you guys, thank you for so much love. So you can check out for all the updates, whatever जो भी होगा, you know, जो भी नए updates आएंगे, you can check it on Alt Balaji. I'll be of course sharing it with, sorry I got a call. So yeah, you guys can check all Balaji's you know, Instagram, and then you can check Ekta ma'am's Instagram, mine of course I'm gonna be sharing. So I'm very excited, very happy to share this with you all, and take care guys, lots of love and stay tuned, much more exciting news coming up.